Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I am doing one that was suggested by a viewer, and that is fishing kits. And a lot of people have that kind of in the back of mind, oh yeah, I need to pick up a little fishing kit, but they never do. Seriously, you got to think about getting a fishing kit if you don't have fishing poles and the whole setup to begin with. Some people just love to fish and they got everything they need already. Others like, one of these days I need to learn how to fish. So you may want to get a fishing kit and actually get several different types. Get the little one that you can put in your vehicle kit so that if you get stuck out somewhere, you can fish. You know, type you put in like in a backpack just in case. All right. So think about getting a fishing kit. Think about learning how to fish if you don't know how to fish already, and you'll be better prepared for whatever comes. All right? So before I take off, I'm going to put the link up here to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound. I'm going to put a couple playlists over here. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to throw up here, but there'll be 2 playlists you'll probably be interested in. All right? Stay safe. Take care. Get extra water in your preps, and I'll see you around.